So in this video, I'm trying to explain how to create a hollow cylinder or pipe in Solidworks. So first, click New, and then Part, and OK. And then click the front plane and create a sketch. Click the sketch, circle, for instance, 25, so 25 millimeter, but you can always check the unit on the bottom right. And then this is the method one. So extruded cut, you click that, and then I always like to work with the mid plane because it's going to be the same size on the top and the bottom. And then this is D is the depth, so you can change it. For instance, if I'd like it to be 500 millimeter, right, this is 250 and 250 on each side. And then if you click thin feature, so it's thinning. So if you click one direction, so you do this, see, this is inside thickness, 10 millimeter thickness, it changed. That's wrong. So it changed one direction. For instance, see, that's changed. The other direction, it means it's thicker outside. So inside, outside, and inside. See, you see the difference. And then mid plane, it means both sides, 5 and 5. So if you see, that's how it changed. And then two direction, it means both 10 and 10. So you see, this is changing. And then this is changing too. But at this point, we just do one direction and internal. So this is the internal. And that's it. See, this is very easy.